Welcome back to LearnHowTo. Today, we're diving into a classic southern treat that's sweeter than a summer day and smoother than a jazz saxophone, banana pudding. Here's what you'll need. 4 ripe bananas, or as I like to call them, nature's candy. 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/3 cup of cornstarch. To thicken things up, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 3/4 cups of milk, whole milk for the win. 3 large egg yolks, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 package of vanilla wafers, whipped cream. Because what's life without whipped cream? Alright, let's start by mixing the dry ingredients. Grab a bowl and whisk together the sugar, cornstarch, and salt. Think of this as a little dry party. Now, in a medium saucepan, combine the milk and our dry party mix. Whisk it all together until it's smooth and we have a lovely, creamy concoction. Turn the heat to medium and keep whisking. This part is important, don't wander off to check your phone. We don't want any lumps, and trust me, lumps are not a party guest you want. Once it starts to thicken, take a moment to enjoy the magical transformation. It's like watching a caterpillar become a butterfly, except this butterfly is creamy and delicious. While your mixture is thickening, let's take care of the egg yolks. Beat them lightly, like you're waking them up from a nap. Scoop some of the hot mixture into the egg yolks and mixes, then adds it back to the saucepan now. Temper those egg yolks by slowly adding a bit of the hot mixture into them. It's like introducing them to the party slowly, so they don't get overwhelmed. Then, pour it all back into the saucepan. Continue cooking and stirring for a few more minutes until it's nice and thick. We're talking pudding thick, not, I should have gone to the gym, thick. Remove saucepan from heat and adds butter and vanilla extract. Remove from heat and stir in the butter and vanilla extract. It's like giving your pudding a cozy little blanket and a soothing lullaby. Now, let's slice up our bananas. Cut them into nice, even slices. We want them to be pretty and perfect, just like how we want our lives to be, but with more bananas. In a trifle dish or any serving dish you have, start layering. First, a layer of vanilla wafers. Almost there. Then, a layer of banana slices. And finally, a generous layer of that beautiful, creamy pudding. Repeat those layers until you've used up all your ingredients. The more layers, the better. It's like a banana pudding lasagna, and who doesn't love lasagna? Finish it off with a generous layer of whipped cream. Go ahead, be a little extra. You deserve it. And there you have it. The perfect banana pudding that's sure to make your taste buds do a happy dance. Let it chill in the fridge for a few hours to let all the flavors mingle and get to know each other. Alright, let's give this a taste. That's like a hug in dessert form. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more sweet treats and kitchen adventures. See you next time. Bye for now, and remember, life is short, eat dessert first.